like you lost another one.
There it is.
Welcome back, PlainSimpleMedia. Thank you guys for joining us for another video. I'm Kai, this is Landon. We got Alex who's getting a Valvetronic exhaust today. And we brought the man himself, the owner of Valvetronic, CEO. Mr. Big CEO, is you stupid? Celebrity guest here.
We got lots of cars, and then inside, this quite handsome young man is going to get the best exhaust system on this planet. Putting a full V2 Valvetronic full system on his E92 M3. It sounds terrible, as you can hear right now. We don't like stock sound. This is what it sounds like at the end. Sounds amazing.
He's getting the sauce.
Yeah, he's gonna be a loud boy.
2 weeks of owning this car, he already scooped the exhaust.
If you guys didn't notice outside, there's already 3 BMWs out there. We come inside, another BMW, another BMW.
Another BMW.
If you can't tell already, we like BMWs in this group.
Kai's head's BMW.
Yeah, Landon's head, you know, I'm not even gonna get
Yeah, alright. He's just killing raps because I'm wearing a band-aid on my face because I cut my face shaving. Sorry, he looks like a piece of asparagus. In a picture of the cinnamon stick from Apple Jacks right here. That was Kai.
dropping the apple next to him.
How about you guys just stand next to each other? We'll just get both. Yeah, we'll do a little comparison right here. It's been a while, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Until righty tighty becomes, I mean, lefty loosey becomes righty. No, what is it?
Yeah, you're slipping off.
Yeah.
If anything, that's the best for like being tight.
True.
So I would just try and get it as perfect as you can.
You're gonna flip it. I don't think that's gonna.
Kai, you're baffled. Kai's like, "Dee." This is not a sponsored Valvetronic video.
Way up there, we'll have to use the extension and impact.
The deep socket.
Those are 13, I think. I should probably know this, honestly.
Done this once or twice, huh?
Yeah. Well, actually, it's funny regarding this exhaust. This whole system is like 116 pounds. Very, very heavy. But the new Valvetronic system is only about half that. So it's saving a bunch of weight and also having the car sound amazing. And also with the new tips. These tips are 3 inches in diameter. The new ones are 4 inch with the carbon fiber layer. So you get a great look and the amazing sound, of course. So.
So the exhaust hangers coming off.
Thank you.
Alright, let's get to work here. Yep. No, I need to extend the swivel.
Yeah, I think you probably need swivel too.
Alright, let's go put this layer to use.
That's some smooth brain right there.
Alright, there we go. Nice.
Oh yeah, that works mint, huh?
Dude.
I don't think you have a long enough extension, Kai.
I don't either, it's almost as long as my neck.
Moment of silence.
Getting ready for surgery.
You hear that? It's like a never-ending bag of goodies. We got wrenches, we got screwdrivers, we got tire pliers, we got coilover tools, we got big. Yeah, you think these will work? Alright, well, we know the exhaust. I mean, we know the f***ing
Alright, Alex,
Band-Aid man.
We can need it'll come off.
Where's that little
We can get the clip off.
Yeah, where's that?
That was a real life call.
Yeah, you know that filter that they have on like Instagram? It's like, you gotta go geek.
BMW. Beamer.
Yeah, let me see it. Fix it.
The only thing is we can't get it up.
Alright, let's see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people. 1 exhaust. You need these grounds for the new exhaust? Right?
2 bags out. 3. There it is.
You got it?
Yeah. Alright. Just grab it by the tips, yeah. Wow, this muffler has been modified, yeah.
Do we do piece by piece like that?
Piece by piece,
Yeah.
Bro, is that thing welded in there? Quick little update, we got the stock exhaust out. One of the O2 sensors is stuck in there. There's oddly 4, 2 per each cat, but one's stuck in, so we're trying to figure that out. And then next thing to do is actually putting on the new exhaust at Valvetronic.
Alex and Joey are going to get a wrench so that we can try and get that O2 sensor off.
Like I said before, we couldn't get one of the 4 O2 sensors out. We don't know why. So we're gonna go get an appropriate size wrench for it, and hopefully that does something, but it's just stripping right now. So either he's gonna have to buy a new one or it's gonna come off, one or the other.
Since you already did it, might as well just open up a shop. Open up a shop and actually, if you need your exhaust done, let us know.
He's gonna come off the lift and the whole car is gonna fall apart. You're like, yeah, let us know.
Yeah, you do one pull down the road, the whole exhaust gonna fall.
Quality.
Guaranteed.
Or your money back. Or not your money back.
Yeah, or
We're just gonna keep your money. Guy's on X-pipe duty.
zip tie.
Do that on the ground.
Yeah, custom.
Look at this. That's the key. This thing's bulky. Oh, it's already lighting up.
Can we get a knife or a cutter?
Essentials.
Let's
Need a cutter.
Just force.
Hey, we love that. We love that.
Nice.
Alright, the O2 sensor is gonna go back on with the socket still on it. Like, let's just imagine for 1 second that like all of us moved into a house together. Like, this is what our house would look like. 24/7, all Germans. To fill you guys in on what's happening, we got the front pipe on, the X pipe. We haven't tightened anything, but it's all sitting up in there ready to go. While Austin's just doing the vacuum lines and the electronic part. Then we should be good. Alex's car should be screaming.
There's lots of movers, so we should be able to do this. So you got,
They slide in or over?
Professional pipe polisher.
Open them valves, baby.
all right, here we go. Ignition on. Where's the key?
It's in the door.
Wow! Jesus. What do you think so far? First reaction, huh? I want to hear a record. What? Wait till you step on the gas, bro. One more. Coming down. Thunder. The downshift. Wait for the downshift.
Wait for another one? Yeah.
He got the sauce! that straight? We should probably get the yo, go. We gotta go.
Holy.
Hey, question. No, actually, never mind.
We're not even gonna say
Nope.
that. There's a reason why the boys at PlainSimple come to us for the Valvetronic sauce. Whether it's my car 6-speed or this car DCT, we make the world's greatest sounding system for the E92X platform. Having that central X pipe there gives a really, really raw, high-pitched F1 sound, which is truly unique, and no other company does it better. So I'm very thankful to the guys at PlainSimple to have me along for this. It makes us very proud to be able to partner with great people like this. I'm sure we'll be doing many more projects together, and just the sound, like, it just tingles you. It's amazing. If you ever need an exhaust, whether it's for the E92X M3s, the F80s, BMWs, or beyond, check out Valvetronic.com. We'd love to get you set up.
Camera doesn't do it justice. In person, it's actually amazing. It's really beautiful noise. Yeah, on that note, we're fucking out of here, bro. It's cold.